Hello, I'm here with Joel Bennathan QC today speaking about criminal appeals. And Joel, I wondered if you could tell us about some of the issues that you've faced in working with criminal appeals.
Sometimes you don't know which court you should be going to. I mean, the obvious starting point is normally the criminal division of the Court of Appeal, but if an appeal is rejected or fought and lost there, then there's other courts you have to go to. And sometimes it is far from obvious. Do you try and go further in the domestic appeal system, which is the Supreme Court, or in some cases the Privy Council? Do you try and go to the European Court of Human Rights? Or if both those avenues aren't open to you, do you consider going to the Criminal Cases Review Commission? Now, often you have to work out what's the problem, what do you think the problem is, and secondly go on to think of those 5 courts, which is the one, which is the point you can take that will actually attract them. And the next thing is how you present it, because quite often a client who's been convicted or the family of someone who's received what seems an appalling harsh sentence will say, this is the problem, the jury should have reached a different verdict, or this is the problem, he's a good boy, he's got kids to worry about. And that may at a human level be really important to them, but as an appeal lawyer you have to understand that may not be of any interest at all to the Court of Appeal, the Supreme Court, the Privy Council, the CCRC, the ECHR. So you have to actually look at a case and formulate what are the weak points in the judge's reasoning, what were the weak points in the prosecution case, and try and take someone's very real upset, but then put it in a form to maximise the chance of getting somewhere at an appellate level. And look, myself and Greg Stewart and Rebecca Trowler, QC, have all been doing this, fighting appeals, advising clients for decades. We've fought a lot, we've lost quite a few, we've won quite a few, and we hope that setting out what we've learnt and the rules and the regulations helps other people do the same thing.
Certainly sounds really helpful. Thank you very much.